Now we are going to see how to create Drupal 9 custom module. The main difference between Drupal 8 and 9, Drupal 9 is a cleaned up version of Drupal 8. It is the same as the last Drupal 8 minor version with our own deprecated code removed and third-party dependencies updated. Most extensions will only need a few changes. What is meant by deprecated code? The deprecated code is the process of taking older code and updated with newer version of code in the code base for various reasons like security concern and platform compatibility, etc. And Symfony. And Symfony is a high performance PHP web application framework and set of reusable PHP components, libraries, etc. This Symfony we can use in Drupal 9 without rewriting any new functions and components, etc. This is the Drupal 9 module file structure. Now we are going to display a message called welcome to Drupal page. For that we are going to create a module in Drupal 9. Now we have to create a folder under the modules folder in the root directory. The folder name called welcome in the modules folder. Under the welcome folder we have to create src folder. Under the src folder we have to create controller folder. Inside the welcome folder we have to create welcome.info.yml and welcome.routing.yml. The welcome.info.yml file provides metadata about your module to the Drupal, and welcome.routing.yml file is used to define the route and path of your content to access. So now we will go to create the folder under the modules. So now we will go to open the root files under the XAMPP, hddocs. Under the Drupal root folder, under the modules we have to create welcome folder here. Once successfully created welcome folder, we have to create welcome.info.yml file, and again we have to create welcome.routing.yml. We have to create one more folder called src. Under src we have to create controller folder. Now we will write a basic coding to display the welcome to Drupal page. So now this is the file structure of the welcome custom module. So now we are going to write welcome info file to define the metadata to the Drupal name, Drupal 9 module, type module, description. So about your module you can define it as a description here. Drupal 9 welcome message Drupal 9 package. Welcome. Core version requirement. Here if you develop the module in Drupal 8, you have to define just a version, but if you are developing module in Drupal 9, you have to define core underscore version underscore requirement, and you have to define the parameters as 8 type symbol, that is you have to write core. The core is 8.x. We have to define a path and route of your page. This is the class name of the controller. This is function name of the controller. This is the title of the page. Permission parameter. You can define access content based on your requirement. So save it. We have to define first namespace for accessing the controller classes. We have to define the class name as a file name. We have to define the function called welcome. Here we are going to display the message by using markup element. That's all. Once successfully completed the developing the module, save and close the module. Now we will enable the module in the Drupal. Open the browser, open your Drupal site. Here you can see our welcome module. Please click the checkbox and click the install button to enable this module. Once successfully enable this module, the message has been displayed here. Go to the configure, go to the performance and do the clear all the caches. After clear the caches, save the configuration. enter your URL. Welcome underscore page. Then click, then enter. The page will be open. That means the module successfully running in